I'll show you how you can find a referral code so you can get more bonus when you sign up for GoTyme Bank. Now, if you want to find your referral code, that's usually not possible because usually referral codes for banks or for officers only. But if you want to find referral codes so you can get bonuses, it's very easy. You just want to find or just search up GoTyme referral code like this. And then you just want to go ahead and go to the first one that comes up here, either the Facebook group here, or you can go to their official website here as well, 50 plus 50 referral website for GoTyme Bank. Now, when you click on either of these, it should show the same code. You can see 50 plus 50 referral rewards, right? So on here, you'll find that if you got a referral code, you can enter into this screen right here. Now, if you want to do this, you can go to the Facebook group here and you can see this is the referral code, this one. It's the GTPGIAN anonymous. And then in here, you look at the 50 plus 50 referral rewards. So you'll earn a $50 co-reward point, and then someone who referred it to you will earn $50 as well, or 50 coupons, however you want to say it, right? Now, you can see the GoTyme selected media partners is open only for GoTyme partners and new GoTyme Bank Corporation users who have not opened a GoTyme Bank account before, right? So of course, this is only eligible for new users. If you want to use it, there'll be this code right here on screen right now.